At Sponsler Automotive, we are proud to serve the heart of Ohio with 4 convenient locations, bringing you the best in automotive sales, service, and more. Looking for your next vehicle? Under the Sponsler Automotive umbrella, we've got you covered with our extensive inventory of new Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram models, plus a wide selection of quality pre-owned vehicles, all available across our Sponsler Donley Ford locations and Sponsler CDJR. Want to keep your vehicle in top shape? We've got that covered too. Our award-winning service and parts departments are here for you. Plus, with our new mobile service, we'll come to you whether you're at home, work, or on the go. Want to personalize your ride? Visit Revved-Up Motor Company, located right next to Sponsler Donley Ford in Ashland, for full customization and upfit services. And don't forget, protecting your investment is just as important. That's why we offer full-service insurance through Otto Insurance Partnership, covering auto, home, life, and more. With every new and most pre-owned vehicle comes backed by the Sponsler Promise, stacked with coverage, maintenance perks, and protection plans designed to keep you confident mile after mile. What truly drives us? It's you, our customers, our communities, and the people we serve every day. Sponsler Automotive, where trust, community, and exceptional service come together.